makeup that I had, and I'm using this purple. It's very good because I got it from Christmas, and I have a sparkly makeup case. I'm so excited to get started. So, these are my lipsticks in here. I have 2 of them, but I'm so excited to use them today. So, first I'm going to use one in the bottom, then I'm going to close it. I'm going to put it back, and I'm going to get my other one. And I put it on the top. And this is some glitter that you could put on your lips, on your lips, and it's really, I have purple, white, and pink. I'm gonna put on the pink, the white right now, the purple right now. So let me just put it back. Okay, good. Okay, I wanted that. So this is it. You.
One brand of makeup is better for your skin than wearing no makeup at all.
And it's really pretty. Next, I'm gonna do some cheeks on my cheeks. So not lipstick on my cheeks, that would be weird. So,
Your skin will look beautiful when you wear it.
I'm gonna do some blue. I'm gonna do this blue.
Neutrogena Cosmetics. See what's possible. Curing yeast infection can take days. Relieving the itch.
Put some more, because it's not that much.
Anti-itch wipes relieve itch and odor instantly as they cleanse. So why wait to feel comfortable?
Then, it looks pretty. Then I have some yellow. I'm gonna get some yellow now because I have a yellow brush on the bottom. So here I go. Hit it. Put it there. Cause when my dad gets home, I'm gonna be a princess, and I'm gonna dress up. Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna put, and this is my nail polish. I won't use it right now because I already have my painted. And this is my makeup case. I'll show you how it looks. It's really sparkly, and that's it because I'm gonna do something else. Bye.